What's doing? Welcome to another episode. This time, Alex fitting exhaust to a...
To Andy.
That's right, we've got this 200 series in today. It's completely stock at the moment. He's unpacking a fresh delivery from Manta. It has all the bells and whistles and all the stuff. It's a 3-inch screw to a single 4-inch out the back. So that you'll see in the video shortly underneath. So you'll see this video shortly underneath where it goes from 2 into 1. So it's going to be 3-inch into a 4-inch pipe and a single 4-inch out the back. So Alex is going to unpack this now. We're going to unbolt the old exhaust, bolt the new one on, and then it's going to straighten the dyno for a tune. Alright, so Alex is going to start this up for me now. You'll hear an idle, we're going to give it a rev. It's just a 200 series, they all sound the same, but at least we're able to hear back to back. Alright, so that's running and idling. And now, you want to give it a rev for me, Alex? That's it. Right, thank you. Alright, so that's standard. So now Alex is going to go up in the air. I'll show you the standard exhaust routing, how it looks like. He's going to rip that exhaust out, put a new one in, and we'll back up on the dyno and we'll start doing some tuning. Alrighty, so Alex has got the new exhaust system in. Let's have a look. Alright, so as I was saying before, that's your twin 3 into a muffler into 4. So the 4 comes up and over and out as a single. So nice little system from Manta. So we'll get down the ground and we'll see what it sounds like. Alrighty, so Alex is just about to start this one up now and we'll see what she sounds like. This is without a tune, this is straight after being done. Alrighty, give it a rev, Alex. You can ignore that white smoke, and white smoke's just the oil and grease they put over the stainless to keep it look pretty, so that'll just heat off and blow out. But this one's got a muffler, so it keeps it a little bit quiet still, but it still has a little bit of a tone. So when we're on the dyno, I'll show you a video and we'll go for a drive and I'll show you what it sounds like as well. But you can have that diameter to have the flow, but you can have a muffler, keep it nice and quiet. So let's run up on the dyno, see what we can get out of it, and then I'll show you what it sounds like out in the street. All right, so on the dyno now, the Landcruiser is just warming up here behind me. Coolant's at 55 degrees, so let it warm up a little bit more. It's idling quite nicely. You can barely even hear it because of the exhaust. So we're going to run it up and do a run to see where it is factory. Probably should have done a run factory exhaust, but it was too hot for the guys. It was already 40 degrees in the shop, plus 80,000 degrees in the exhaust system. So I'll be pretty close. I'll pick up a little bit here and there, obviously being a bigger exhaust, but stand tune with this exhaust, and then I'll throw a tune in it, and we'll do another run, see where it goes. And then I'll do a park outside so you can listen to the exhaust, and we'll do a driveway so you can see what it sounds like. So let's get stuck in. We'll throw this up on the ramps and see where it goes, and then we'll throw a tune in and see where it goes after that.